Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Did you know that your kitchen scraps can be so much more than trash? Today, we'll show you creative ways to reuse them, from boosting your garden to making natural household solutions. Let's turn waste into something wonderful. First up, composting. Fruit peels, vegetable scraps, eggshells, and coffee grounds are composting gold. Just toss them into a compost bin, and in a few weeks, you'll have rich, nutritious soil for your plants. Even if you don't have a garden, you can share compost with a neighbor or community garden. Did you know you can regrow vegetables from scraps? Place green onion roots or celery bases in a glass of water, and they'll sprout in days. It's a fun project for children as well. Crushed eggshells are packed with calcium, perfect for tomatoes and peppers. Dry and crush them, then sprinkle them around your plants to boost their growth. You can also steep banana peels in water for a potassium-rich plant drink. Kitchen scraps aren't just for the garden. Use lemon peels to freshen up your garbage disposal or scrub surfaces. Coffee grounds make a great natural scrub for pots and pans. Who needs harsh chemicals? For a fun craft, try making an orange peel candle. Scoop out the pulp, leave the stem, fill it with oil and light it. It's eco-friendly and smells amazing. Let's turn kitchen scraps to garden gold. Composting and gardening for a sustainable lifestyle. Did you know your kitchen scraps could help you grow a lush, sustainable garden? Today, we'll show you how to turn those peels and leftovers into compost, regrow plants, and even create fertilizer to enrich your soil. Let's dive into the world of sustainable gardening. Let's start with composting. Now, composting is nature's way of recycling organic matter into rich, fertile soil. Here's what you need to do. Collect scraps, vegetable peels, fruit scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells work great. Avoid meat, dairy, or oily foods. They can attract pests. Layer your material. Alternate greens like food scraps and grass clippings with browns like dried leaves or cardboard. Keep it moist and aerated. Compost needs some water and airflow to break down properly. Now give it a stir every week or so. Now after a few weeks to months, your scraps turn into nutrient-rich compost that's perfect for feeding your garden and keeping waste out of landfills. Not all scraps need to go into the compost pile. For example, crushed eggshells are fantastic for calcium-loving plants like tomatoes. Sprinkle them directly into the soil. Coffee grounds are another garden favorite. They add nitrogen to the soil and even repel pests like slugs. Just don't overdo it. Too much can make the soil acidic. Want free veggies? Many kitchen scraps can be regrown. Place carrot tops or celery bases in shallow water and watch them sprout new greens in days. Transfer them to soil for a full harvest. Green onions are my favorite. They're fast and so easy to grow. Just pop the roots in water and keep trimming as they regrow. Banana peel tea is a sustainable way to fertilize your plants. Soak banana peels in water for a few days, then use the liquid to water your garden. It's packed with potassium and nutrients. You can also use scraps like veggie peels and apple cores as mulch. Just chop them finely and bury them around your plants to naturally feed the soil. Why compost? It reduces food waste, cuts down on methane emissions from landfills, and gives you free fertilizer for your garden. It's one of the most simplest ways to live sustainably while helping the planet. Your garden will thank you. Plants thrive in compost-enriched soil, which holds water better and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. From composting to regrowing food, kitchen scraps are a powerful tool for sustainable gardening. By reusing what we'd usually throw away, we can save money, grow healthy food, and make a positive impact on the environment. Share your favorite scrap gardening tips in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more eco-friendly gardening ideas. See you in the next video, inshallah.